The room is okay. Mi niko sawa. Another vlog where I'm doing my first day in Cape Town. This place you feel like you're not in Africa. What?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel
Cape Town is way better security wise.
Sababu ni wazungu hapo hapo.
Oh.
We began to feel the fire.
Ni wapi huku nilikuja?
We rise like tall buildings.
Mwana Nigeria hao. Mwana magari yao wanaendesha. Nigeria hao baba. Hai gari kiwashwa hapo. Kama na mtoto anaweza kukimbia.
Asante sana
Okay.
Nime appreciate. Haya. Wase mkika Cape Town. Mtafute mse hapa. Kutoka TZ.
Yes.
Yeah. What I saw on booking.com and what has been delivered are two different things. Men, room inakaa fiti. Even when I was in Malaysia, sikukaa room inakaa hivi ama hata Rwanda. Ui. Let me show you. There's a TV. I think this is 32 inch. Do you hapo? Look at the balcony. Wait, can you see the view? Let's see the view. Let me tell you guys. Look at my view right there. Oh God. Where? Cape Town. There's a couch. Kuna kameza hapo. Look at that. Kitchen. Toaster. Sikubeba mkate. Look at that. There's a fan because this place is very hot. Dining table. There's a fridge. Yeah. This is so good. What is this? Coffee milk. Oh, nice. Chatuane. Anaweza kuwa ametuachia food huko. Kuna kitu. Cabinet. There is a kettle. Some glasses. Wow. Hey, Cape Town. There is a mirror right there. Hi. Then there is the bed. I think this is okay for me. And there is some towels. Ziko hapo. Okay, na kuna bedside pale hivyo, naweza ekelea lapi. Okay, I think this is part of the bathroom. There is a mirror. Hello. Wow. Washroom, ndio hiyo. Hey, my friend. Shower. You can shower. Yeah. Kuna body wash na shampoo. Ndio zimeekelewa hapo. What do you think? What do you think about this room, by the way? Let me know in the comment section. Near this sawa. Wardrobe part. Nice. Nylon box. Hii ni gani? Ile ya maji ama. Okay. Inakuanga hard dryer. Okay. Kuna hangers hapo. Saver. Kama kuna kitu document tunataka kuweka haya. Ile kitu ya kwa yeah. Okay. Nice. As far as I'm concerned, I'm okay. Thank you Jesus. Praise you Jesus for a nice trip here in Cape Town. Alafu hii place imenyamaza. Yani una feel ni kama hakuna watu. Kumenyamaza. So all in all, thank you so much for watching this vlog. It has been a long journey. I'm so tired. I need to take a nap. I need to take shower, then take a nap. Because, hey, if I continue like this, neza anguka. But that is not my intention. I need to rest. Hata macho zangu zinaonekana vile zinakaa funny. If you are in Cape Town, let me know on the comment section. And make sure that you subscribe to this channel. You like, you comment, and you share. I can't wait to share with you a lot of content about Cape Town, visiting Catholic churches here in Cape Town. Yani nitawaletea ile content Mungu atanisaidia, yenye ataniwezesha nitawaletea. Though everybody is telling me be safe. Security si kitu poa sana. Like there's a place where I was, and there's a man there from Congo. He was telling me, if anyone tells you, can I assist you? Don't dare tell them, yes, assist me. Usijaribu. So that is also another precaution. I would advise anyone who wants to visit Cape Town, be very, very cautious. Okay, be very, very cautious. Usiingize box na wase. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the comments button. Hit the what? Hit. Goodbye.
Katrina the traveler.